Here are 5 ways you can get 100 subscribers each and every day. Hi guys, my name is Gloria and I'm here to help you grow your YouTube channel into a milestone and a success in this 2021. So if that is what you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And today's shout out is going to Pops Giddy. Guys, I do appreciate all my subscribers and I'm going to be doing a shout out every single video from now. So all you need to do to enter the shout out is to subscribe to this channel and stay active. I love you all. So our first one, don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Make sure the videos you are posting on YouTube are the best they can be, meaning you have good quality videos. They give you views which will later turn into subscribers. So that is the type of content you want to make, and that is the type of videos you want to go for. Give you these 100 subscribers in one day. Respond to comments. By engaging with your fans and viewers, you show them that you really appreciate their support and also you value their voice, you care about them, and this also helps you to get more voice into your channel, to engage with your fans. This helps you to grow a community which will help bring other people to subscribe to the channel, and also themselves they would subscribe to your channel. So respond to every comment on your videos. Make sure that viewers really subscribe to the channel. Third one, build a community. Be friendly and communicate also with other YouTubers, support them, and also actively communicate with your fans, because subscribers will not only love your content but they will also like your personality. So be friendly, interact with others, welcome people to your channel, be that charming, because the more people you interact with, the more they will always come back to subscribe to your channel because of the content and your personality and also how warm and welcoming you are. This will also help to bring you more subscribers, because as people come to check your channel, they will not just go back empty-handed. When they like what they're seeing, when they love what you're doing, they will always subscribe and also share your videos with other people. So this will bring you a lot of views, which will turn views into subscribers. Fourth one, make each video stand out. To ensure that people subscribe to your channel, make each video different from the other and also provide varieties of topics to keep viewers interested in what they're seeing, in what they're watching. And also make sure you engage enough within your content on that very niche. Make sure you make similar topics around that niche. The fifth one, study your audience. Know exactly what your audience are watching, who are watching, what type of content they are interested in, and also know that people will subscribe to your channel when they know you are making amazing and likable content that they're interested or that they're looking for, or content that solve their problem, content that answer their questions. Those are the things that will get you a lot of subscribers and more views into your channel, and it will keep your channel growing from one milestone to the next. So now I'm going to give you a bonus tip. So our bonus tip for today is look for someone who has been doing that niche and they have become very successful, but don't copy their content. Instead, look for ways that the things that they have done to get where they are now, and try to make your own content and stay positive, stay real, and do your own things. I can assure you, you're going to grow and get your subscribers and grow your channel from one milestone to the next that you really want, and above all, pray to God.